All right, so let's talk about the outrageous secret that your stockbroker is gonna take to the grave that they're never even gonna let you in on. But before we do, my name is Matt Theriault. I am CEO of Epic Real Estate. And what we do is we show people how to invest in real estate with an emphasis on retiring early. So I hear it all the time that real estate is risky. And my initial thought is, what else are you gonna do? What's the alternate plan? You know, it actually may be riskier not to invest in real estate than it is to, and I'm gonna tell you why. Number one, supply and demand. And in real estate, the supply, that's the land that we have. The demand are people. So the supply is fixed, but people, we continue to make people. The demand continues to increase. And when you are in a situation in any economy where the demand is outpacing the supply, values can only go up. That's number one. Number two, leverage. The ability to use other people's money that multiplies the growth of your own money. The leverage in real estate is available to you in a way that it's not available to the average person in any other investment asset class. So the third, my most favorites, the four profit centers of real estate. The first one is appreciation. That's what everybody's familiar with, and that's what most people will base their buying decisions of real estate on. The smarter investors will look at cash flow, the income that a real estate produces. They'll look at the appreciation and the cash flow and make their buying decisions there. But the other two are what most people don't really take into consideration, and they're probably the biggest wealth creation profit centers that real estate holds. The third one being depreciation, how it can really cut into and minimize your tax liability. It's your biggest expense in life, and you can virtually eliminate that with the purchase of just a few investment properties. Number four would be amortization, the paying down of the debt. This is where the real wealth is created. This is where that real estate slowly over time becomes yours because of the debt pay down. But the part that most people just never really grasp is that it's not you paying it down. It's your tenant that pays you each and every month. You take that money that they give you, you go ahead and you apply that to the debt service, and that's what builds your wealth. And then there's typically something a little bit left over each and every month for you, and we call that cash flow. We get to live on that. So we get to live now and have this wealth creation underneath us, which allows us to live later as well. So if you like the sound of that, you may want to tune into our daily podcast. I put a link down below for you. Go ahead and click it, hit the subscribe button. You'll never miss an episode. I'll see you over there.